Yo guys, Harris are here.
Wait, this is day 2 of the Christmas thing that we're recording in October because...
So from the second day of the Christmas calendar, a gummy crap.
Open it!
Oh, this is weird. Oh God. We'll pick that up in a minute, because yeah. Oh, this is right weird.
Right, we've moved location, that's our pets at home. Right, Kaden, can we just qualify? What's the word?
Qualify.
No, like, I just want to say that we are literally recording this on like the 16th of October.
I'll take a screenshot of the video like that, because
it's literally October.
Dad, 1 minute, I can qualify. Oh God.
Tuesday, October 16th. Right, I'm gonna have a bite.
Right, I'll bite out top. I'm gonna regret this, but
Wait, I want to do a thumbnail like where you just take a bite and go like that. Right, yeah. Right, I want a bit. Come here. I want a bit. Jesus Christ. What the shit? It's just cold flavour. Can I put a vomit warning in the thumbnail?
yeah. Hope you all enjoyed day 2 of the Christmas calendar, you know, filmed in October 16th, yeah.
We'll see you in
Tuesday
day 3.
at 5:09 in the afternoon, I think.
Yeah, we'll see you.
5:08, so yeah.
We'll see
So
you tomorrow
right,
for day 3.
let's dispose of the evidence. Oh, one of the dogs had a poo. Because this is pets at home,
Yeah,
by the way.
we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.